Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today we'll be talking about the Gazelle Mountain Goat, a rare animal found in Palestine. The Gazelle Mountain Goat is a medium-sized animal with a slender and athletic build. It is about 1 meter long and weighs about 25 kilograms. The goat has reddish-brown fur with black stripes on its back. The Gazelle Mountain Goat is found in the mountains Palestina. The goat lives in forests and bushes. The Gazelle Mountain Goat is a diurnal animal. The goat eats grass, bushes, and fruits. The Gazelle Mountain Goat is an endangered species. The animal is hunted for its meat. Its habitat is also threatened by deforestation. Conservation efforts to save the Gazelle Mountain Goat have been undertaken by the Turkish government and non-profit organizations. These efforts include law enforcement to stop poaching, habitat rehabilitation, and captive breeding programs. The Gazelle Mountain Goat is a unique and interesting animal. The success of conservation efforts to increase the population of this goat is good news for the environment. We can all play a role in the conservation of the Gazelle Mountain Goat. We can do things like not hunting or consuming the meat of the Gazelle Mountain Goat, supporting non-profit organizations that work for the conservation of the Gazelle Mountain Goat, preserving the habitat of the Gazelle Mountain Goat,